Hello, my name is Christina, and today in this video I'm going to teach you three types of note-taking methods. The first one is Cornell, the second is outlining, and the last one is mapping. So let's jump right in. And the first is Cornell note-taking methods, and it's really important form of note-taking because it really help you to study better and also help you to understand material. So there are a few steps of Cornell note-taking process, and if you do them, you will be successful. And when you watch a video or reading a book, the first step you should do is take your note paper and divide it up. So divide your paper in a couple of sections and make sure that you leave enough place to write your notes. And also here I will leave an example, and this will help you to understand better. The next step is on the top line, write your topic that you're supposed to be listening to or reading, and also you can write your name and date. The large box that on the right side is for your notes and drawings. Yeah, of course, if you can draw. So here you should abbreviate as needed, and it means that you don't have to write down everything that you hear or you read, and try to make your notes short and understandable. In the left side box, you should write a main ideas from the video or text or lectures, and take out your key points and everything that was important or stressed in the video or text. And also don't forget to write important people names and dates. So the last step in this process is write a summary in the bottom part of the paper, and it can be a few sentences that summarize all details that you wrote above and everything that you learned from lecture, from videos. And when you finish all these steps, you're ready for a test, for a quiz, and you're on way to be successful. In this example, you can see a name, date, and topic, which is literacy elements. So for the main idea or keywords, I wrote defined irony, and for the detail is a contradiction between reality and what is expected. So I didn't write a summary because I wanted to give you a general idea about this method. I wanted you to see an example, and so as you understand, the summary should be a few sentences, and you should write everything what you understand or everything what you wrote above. So the next is outlining method. Without knowing notes-taking methods, students always try to write down everything that they read and everything that they listen from videos or on lectures, and it's always really difficult to find an important information that we need. So the outline method will help you to organize the lecture and notes that you're taking. So you should know that this outline method is useful if you have enough time to think while you have a lecture. So the first step is you should write a main topic in the top of your paper but on the left side, and after the main topic all information will be more detailed. So then you should write a subtopic 1 and of course a key points for your subtopic. So also you should know that level of importance each of information will be indicated by distance away. So for that reason you should write a main topic on the left side and subtopic and key points on the right side. And here you can see that it goes from main topic to something a little smaller and smaller. Then you can repeat and write subtopic 2 and continue write with key points. So then you can move to main topic and do all steps again. And the last thing you should know is this type of note-taking method have a disadvantage, because it will be so hard to use outline method if your lecture that you listen is too fast, because this type of note-taking requires to think more. Here we have an example about Shakespeare, so this is our topic, and the main topic is playwright. The subtopic is 39 plays and comedies, and key points is as you like it, might ado about nothing. And we have second subtopic is Roman, and the key points for it is Julius Caesar and Antony and Cleopatra. Here you can see a short example, and of course if you want you can write more. If you don't like to draw but you still want to use the special reasoning powers of your visual brain, so this note-taking method that I will explain is for you, and it's called mapping method. So we can use this process to map out ideas. And first thing, you should start with writing a topic in the middle of page, and it could be a question or a word, and next put circle around it. Now when you hear information about the topic, write subtopic and put it in circle again, but don't forget to connect them together. Next, there might be some details about that piece of information that are also important, so write them around your subtopic. And then you can move to another big piece of information. Write subtopic again and make another circle for it. And for the details about them, do the same steps. In this type, you organize the lecture in a very visual way. So if you're a visual learner, this is a great type of note-taking method to organize the lecture. Another advantage of this method is you can easily see connection between different information. So here again we have an example about Shakespeare. So our topic is 3 types of Shakespeare plays. And our subtopics is comedy, history and tragedy. And details is for comedy, As You Like It, for history, Richard III, and for tragedy is Hamlet. So this was the last method that I explained, and I really hope that you will choose the correct method for yourself and be successful.